Good day, Ma'am MJ. Today I will present to you my Arduino activity, which is IR receiver module. Here's the code. First, we need to include a library. So this library will allows the Arduino to receive a signal from the remote. After that, we need to create a object for the IR receiver, and then we will connect it to the digital pin 3 to the from the Arduino, so that's why it is 3. Then after that, we will initialize it. So first, we have here, this will start the IR receiver. So for example, it will detect a signal from a remote like that, and then after that, we will start the serial communication. Starts at 9600 baud rate. And then after that, we have another function here, loop. So for example, if the IR receiver detect a signal from the remote, so if that condition is true, so these codes will run. First, I will explain this. So this one right here is this will print the raw IR signal value to the serial monitor, or it will output to the. So basically, this will be the output of the IR receiver module, and it will display to the serial monitor. And then we have here a delay to prevent repeating signals too quickly, or yeah, too quickly. And then we will also reset the receiver and prepare for the next signal. In the next clip, I will show you the output. As you can see, the output, that is the wiring diagram, and then in the serial monitor you can see different codes that is from the signal coming from the remote. Each button in the remote have a unique code. That's why you can see in the serial monitor it has different codes.